Hello everyone, I'm Amal Shafawi and I'm going to present you my CS50 Final project. So my final project is called Waldo. The main purpose of Waldo is to find a picture of you on a website. To use it, you just need to upload a picture of you under your name and it's going to search on the internet for your face. The first step is to register. Once the form is complete, you just click register. Once you are logged in, the button search appears. You just need to upload a picture and then click on search. This has launched the search for the images. We can see that the page is still loading because it's waiting for the results before to show any update. We have a new message now because the search is complete. So you can see that we have also a new link at the top. This displays all the searches, so we have only one for this time. But if there were more, they would be listed in here. You can see all the results that were found. For every match, I will display the website and the page link, so you can click and access the exact page of this picture. So that's not exactly this one, this one. Mainly how the app works is that it's calling for the Google API with the given name and is going to take for about 50 results. Face recognition actually allow me to compare an image and find if a face exists in another picture. The evaluation of similar faces is done for every picture. I use another service which is called Celery. Celery allows me to create a task queue, which is very useful to display immediately to the user another page and don't hold the page until the whole analysis is done, because it can take a while. Celery actually do not work with Windows, which is why I used VirtualBox. So here we have an instance of Ubuntu running on VirtualBox. As we can see here, I have 3 tasks that can be used. Here we can see the task. This allows me to show to the user a page without waiting for the function to finish. If we go a little deeper in the code, we can see that I use a model called search, and we run the method run search. This method uses the API of Google. Here is where I use the library face recognition. Here is where I compare the images. So I compare the given image by the user to the one contained in the search result. To use Celery, you just need to call the Celery function like that and run the server. So I select my picture, then type the name I want to search, click on search, and then you can see immediately after the message is returned. And if we going to check the Celery instance, we can see that it started to download the images and also to compare them. I can now go to report and check for the results. We can see less results because I have changed the parameter for counting the number of search from 50 to down to 10. That's why we can only have here 6 results. At the end of the process, the user received an email. I send an email at the end of the search. I also tried to put it online using Heroku, but the application does not work whenever I disable the debug settings, which is kind of problematic for security reasons. So I currently do not have a working application online. It only works on a local server. Thank you for watching this video, and this was Waldo project.